Hello, welcome to my course on exploring sourdough. In this course, we'll be doing various experiments about sourdough. I will be showing you a simple way to test your flour to see if it's suitable for baking bread with. Then we'll go on to do some gluten washing, so you can see what gluten looks like and also what the starch looks like. I'll give you an idea on how to recover from a failed formula. We'll make some beautiful ciabatta bread. We'll also explore the stages of a sourdough starter. There are 5 stages in a sourdough starter, from feeding all the way to its death. We'll experiment with all-purpose flour and bread flour and compare the two. So let's get started. Let's have some fun. Let's explore. This ciabatta came out so good.